This is an overview of how to hide programs on your X2 controller. We will use the dial and plus and minus buttons to navigate hide programs. The X2 is factory configured with 3 independent programs, A, B, C, with 4 start times each for different plant type requirements. For simplification, you can customize the X2 to display only the required programs. To simplify programming, you can hide programs that are not required and show one program, program A, and one start time. With the dial in the run position, hold the minus button while you turn the dial to the water days position. To hide extra programs, use the plus and minus buttons to change from 4 to 1. 1 will show only program A with a single start time. 4 will show all programs and all start times. What we have covered in this video is the Hide Programs feature to simplify programming of your X2 controller. For detailed information, be sure to visit the Quick Start Guide or look at the online support page. You can find them at hunterindustries.com. Thanks for watching.